My second example to use a content monitoring is to monitor a product page for an e-commerce site. Let's say that this is my best product and I want to make sure to be alerted as soon as it's out of stock. All right. And here's how you're going to do that. You want to copy this sentence in stock and paste it into your application. So matching sentence contains in stock. Then you want to test it. It doesn't work. There are two reasons why it doesn't work. The first one is checking if the download size is big enough. So I'm going to expand it like that. All right. Then you want to test it again and it works. And if it still doesn't work, you want to make sure that your sentence appears the same as in your source code. So have a look at your source code and make sure it matches. So in my case, it matches. And that's it.